I'm back with another one from the UNice hair.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
So we are coming through with a unit from UNice Hair. They so graciously sent us over their FB30 24-inch body wave unit. Now we've done a similar unit like this, but we're obviously going to do her a different way. Okay, so this unit, okay, this is her fresh out the pack. Okay, she has 2 combs in the front. All right, 1 comb in the back. She has adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. And then take a look at that parting space. Okay, get into that. It's super long. It's about 5 inches. All right, I actually don't think we'll have to glue this down. I'm gonna throw her on and see what we're working with though.
All right, my loves, let's get on into this UNice Hair Balayage FB30 Body Wave Lace Front T-part wig. So this unit is absolutely beautiful. I love the T-part wig. It's super beginner friendly. She is 24 inches. Again, she's a 13x5 T-part lace front wig. And she's currently going for just under $230. I think that is really reasonable for this unit. The hair feels stunning. It did not shed. It did not tangle. It's relatively big head friendly. So I was really happy with how this unit turned out. So I'm just going on through and lightly laying her down with my Bold Hold Liquid Gold. And then I'm going to go on in and just curl her up, just wand curl with my Babyless wand curler. Now I'm just plucking out a few of the hairs around the perimeter. The lace on the T-part lace is very minimal, okay? But it's just enough where if you pluck it out, you can get a more natural hairline, just a bit. So I'm just going to lay this on down and get mother all the way together. So I'm just using my Tresemme freeze spray, or excuse me, my Tresemme holding spray. I'm going to go on through and use my Babyless wand curlers to get this unit on all together. I actually really did enjoy the texture of this hair. The hair felt fantastic. It's more on the silky side than but it's thick. like yucky hair. Okay, are you picking up what I'm putting to you? I really did enjoy how this unit came out, the T-part lace, because it's super easy. Again, if you're a beginner or if you're somebody who really wants to wear your unit glueless, the T-part lace is the way to go.
I am getting dressed up, actually, full disclosure, for Easter dinner, and this hair is perfect. I'm so happy with this. I'm like really happy with how she turned out. Turn around for you guys. I can't get enough. She looks so perfect, effortless, sexy. You guys know how I love my wand curler. I used a babyless wand curler to get this style. And this is just wonderful. She did not tangle. She did not shed. She took the curl just how I wanted her to. I have her hopped up on Tresemme. Okay. So she's sprayed all the way down. Fry dye to the side. Okay, mother is. I love this unit. I really don't have anything else to say except for UNice really came through. She even still feels soft. Even after all the hairspray and zhuzhing and all that, which I love. I really am into this. Let me know what you guys think. Bust down. Tell me how you guys are feeling about this unit, this hairstyle. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.